For an absolute beginner, creating a game has a huge barrier of entry. Someone has to create the assets, music, story, and mechanics. Someone has to also sell the game. It's too much if you are alone, even more when just starting out. Unity does what's expected of an engine, but Unreal goes beyond that. Watching this video to the end may be the last step needed to overcome this barrier of entry. Or would you rather continue running in the wrong direction? For the past 12 days, I have been working on my first big game in Unity. I managed to create a simple prototype for the first day, but the rest of my time was wasted on how to create good-looking 3D art. If I was part of a big company and my only task was creating 3D art, it's not a problem. But when you're working alone, this is not acceptable. Unreal, on the other hand, has a lot of free assets that cover common cases and make some of the paid ones free every month for a period of time. Like the free games in the Epic Store. Having so many assets helps you focus on the bigger picture and atmosphere of the game. No need to worry creating rocks or trees because someone has already created them. Only focus on creating the main character, story, custom code, and blending everything together, which is also a lot of work but still manageable. When you're more experienced and work together with other people, then you can invest resources into creating the custom environment and other small details. You can't afford all of this. The idea is to have most of your time be spent where you know what you're doing. If you're a computer scientist, of course it's more efficient to focus on amazing game mechanics instead of wasting time on learning how to sculpt or topologize, bake, texture, etc. It will take too much time. The goal is to make your skills shine in the game, while other parts are decent enough with the help of free resources until you are able to afford extra help. When working in Unreal, you have access to Quixel Bridge. It's a software where you will find a lot of amazing materials and objects which you are allowed to use for free if you have Unreal Engine and use them there. Importing objects from the software is instant with a click of a button. Another bonus is you can use Quixel material where you can texture 3D models. You can export them and use them in other software, but it's a lot faster when you want to export to Unreal. Saving time whenever you can when you're alone is important. Another bonus of Unreal is the cost of using it. It's free until you make $1 million. Then you will have to pay 5%. For Unity, if you earn more than $100,000, the price is $400 a year, and it goes up the more you earn. 1 million is a lot of money and most people will not reach it for a very long time. That gives enough time to create a stable base. Everyone knows that Epic has a lot of money. They invested back into companies that help you get started easier. An example for that is Quixel Bridge and Mixer. Unreal offers a lot of help right now, and I'm certain it will get even better than this in the future. One last reason I switched to Unreal is more personal. The first time I set my eyes on Unreal was when I found Chris devlogs on his game Lucian. The way he combines Unreal with another software called Houdini, which is also amazing but very expensive, is super inspiring to me and is someone I look up to. I hope this is enough information to inspire someone who has lost hope in game dev because of the high barrier of entry. There is nothing wrong with using help whenever you can find it, because in game development you have to focus on too many things, each of which has their own academic field in university. The hardest part is starting out and keeping up the pace, and this video should be enough to find the right direction.